Hey team, it's Mr. Z, and today we're going to look at common errors when adding mixed numbers. Let's go ahead and dive on in. All right, so the best situation when we're trying to correct errors is to do the problem yourself. So when I look at this problem number 1, I identify that 5 and 6 are not the same. So I have to rewrite the fractions as the LCM. So I'm going to go ahead and generate my list of sequences. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. Do the same for 6. And voila, I see 30 is going to be the LCM. So when I'm doing this problem, I need to take 2 and 2/5, and I'm going to add 1 and 3/6. And what I need to do is multiply 5 by 6 because 30 is the sixth term. Likewise, 30 is the 5th term of the multiples of 6. Now I'm going to adjust my problem, and I'm going to get 2/12 over 30 plus 1 times 15 over 30. I'm going to go ahead and add my whole numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3, and then it turns into 12 plus 15 over 30, which is 3 and 27/30. We can reduce this. We aren't going to do it right now. So obviously my answer doesn't match. I'm going to go ahead and see what was the error. 5, 6, 11, 2, 3, 5. It looked like this person just added with no regards for the rules of adding with a common denominator. So the error is that the student did not identify the common denominator before adding. Okay, this next one, I'm going to go ahead and look at it. 2 4/5, 2 3/4 is equal to 4 11/20. Let me go ahead and find, did they find the right LCM? 5 and 4. I stop at the 20 because I identify the LCM as 20. So now I'm going to go ahead and change 2 and 4/5. 20 is the 4th term plus 2 and 3/4. Out of the multiples of 4, 20 is the 5th term. So now I'm going to go ahead and multiply 2 and 8/20 plus 2 and 15/20. Now I'm going to go ahead and add. 2 plus 2 is going to be 4. And then I'm going to add the two fractions together, which is going to turn into 4 and 23/20. Now, what we need to do is we're going to go ahead and convert 23/20 into a mixed number. So how many times does 20 go into 23? Notice first in line, first in the box. My divisor is on the outside. 20 goes into 23 one time, leaving me with 3. Turning this problem into 4 plus 1 and 3/20. which turns into 5 3/20. So this person made a addition error. Seeing this number is 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 4. Whatever they did not convert correctly. They did not rewrite as a common denominator correctly. Okay, let's do one more. So 6 plus 3 is 9, and then they have the fractions, and there's nothing there. So right away I can see the error is they only added the whole numbers. If I were to do this problem for myself, it would turn 6 2/3 plus 3 1/3 would become 9 2 plus 1 over 3. This turns into 9 3/3. Now this is a division problem. What is 3 divided by 3? 3 goes into 3 one time, leading me to 9 plus 1 0/3. I can erase this. 0 divided by 3 is just 0, turning my final answer to just simply be 10. Remember, give me a sentence and always solve the problem yourself. That's it for now.